All right, guys.
Today we're working on a 2017 Subaru Outback, and what happened was a customer went to AutoZone, they replaced the battery, and now it won't start or crank. And I'm going to show you what happened. Here we go. Hope you enjoy.
All right, guys. We got a 2007 Subaru. I guess I just put a new battery at AutoZone here. I guess it doesn't crank. We're going to look at it and see. And we'll check it out. So we're going to use a power probe. Best tool ever. All right. 12 volts. All right, guys. I checked the batteries. You can see they're both 12 volt. And it was trouble in town. There's no power going to the alternator. And so I looked on the diagram on all data. And this is, where did that go? This is covered. It's the main, it's called the main SBF 125 amp fuse, and it's covered right here. So pull that off. And power there. Hope you guys can see that. And no power there, so we're gonna change it out. Let's do it. All right, guys, replace this main fuse. It's 8mm. In there, huh? All right, guys, here's the 120 in blue. It's right there. I'm gonna use this one. You have to buy at Subaru. I couldn't find anywhere online. Probably order and deliver it to you, but they're like $7. But I got this one at AutoZone. It's a 100 amp, so it's not gonna hurt anything. It'll just pop if something happens up sooner. But just to get the car going, and then we'll buy the correct one. So let's see if this one fits. So far, that one from AutoZone, the 100 amp one, is fitting. So for now, so we'll see if it starts. And I'll bring it back. All right, guys, this is power. All power on the alternator too. So yeah.
All right, guys, we found the problem was a bad blown fuse. I guess maybe they touched something when they were touching the battery. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but everything worked out. I haven't got a call back, so. And hopefully they put the right one in. But guys, thanks. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys have helped you out. Bye.